Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video, we are going to be talking about Envato Elements. According to Google, it's a subscription service for designers that include graphic assets, educational resources, and a business management tools. In a simple words, Envato Elements is the place where you got million of assets. Suppose if you are a designer or editor, sometimes we need templates for our work to save our times or fulfill our requirements. So Envato actually offer us million of pre-made templates. The next question arrives in our mind that what they are offering. So they are offering million of things that includes video templates, graphic templates, web templates, stock videos, photos, music and sound effect and much more. It doesn't matter which software you are using, they are offering the template for multiple softwares. We all know there are so many template selling platforms, so why would choose Envato? Suppose if you buy a transition or title pack from some other website, or they charge you around 40 to 50 US dollar. So you just actually got a single pack in 40 to 50 US dollar. Instead of that, if you go with Envato Element, that charge you around 16 US dollar for a month. So you can literally download million of assets for a whole month. Overall, this deal is just amazing because you got million of pre-made templates by just getting your subscription. So without wasting any time, just go and get your subscription right now. By the way, Envato offering 7-day trial for the user. It means you can use Envato without paying any amount till 7 days. I mentioned Envato link in the description below, must check it out. So yeah, here is the video of today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and please comment down below your experience with Envato if you ever use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.